Hey everyone, so it's time for hanon exercise 1 with both hands. If you've seen the previous videos where we discuss and work on hanon exercise for the right hand only, check that out first. And then the other video that we discussed hanon exercise but for left hand only, check that out also. Now if you already mastered each hand separately, it's time for putting them together, okay? So we'll work on that now. When you look at the sheet music, both hands will be on the bass clef. The upper group, that notes pointing up, those 16 notes that are pointing upwards for your right hand, and the other group, the lower notes that are pointing downwards, that's for your left hand. All right. Now to put them together, we assume the position, hand in one position, where where your right thumb is on bass C. And then it skips D, second finger on E, and then the rest are F, G. Left hand, same notes, but 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Now, if you're having trouble putting them together, I suggest playing each note by thinking of the octaves. Just note, not fingers. Okay? Think of C. Play it repeatedly like that. And then next is E. Just for practice, okay? And then F. G. And then A. So why do we do that? It's just to familiarize our brains what fingers are playing for each octaves or note octave. So C is 5 and 1, 5 left, 1 is right, okay? Now we play them by pairs only. So C and E first. And mind the fingering, okay? The left hand is 5, 4, your right hand is 1, 2. They play 2 notes first. Okay, next is F and G. So mind the fingering again. Left hand is third finger, F. Your right hand is also third finger. That's good news. And then left hand is 2 finger. Your right hand is 4 finger. Okay, so what do we have so far? And then A is your left hand thumb, your right hand pinky. So it's easy to think about that. You run out of fingers. That's your finger. That's the pinky and your thumb. There's no more finger beyond that, right? So that's quite easy. So far by pairs, and then a single. Okay, actually this single here, it's a pair to going back down to G. So we have, and then, okay, got that, and then F and E. So now the pairs it's complete. The groups are complete. So we have C, E, F, G, A, G, F, E. Now try them together, put them all together. Another way to think about it, so you can move up the scale, is by fingers, or by pairing of fingers. The 2 bottom fingers, middle fingers, top fingers, and part of the middle, and then middle finger. So if you remember those fingers going up, you can move it up again on D, and same fingering, okay? Now if you're not sure yet, do it by pairs again. Then move it up all the way. when your left hand reaches middle B, where middle C is, and your right hand reaches the treble B, that's the end of the ascending pattern. Alright, got it? Now, descending pattern starts on G. Now it's the opposite now. Okay, so you're skipping F. So fingers will skip. So you're gonna have to work on this again step by step by groups if you have to. G, E, okay, downwards. And look at the fingering. And then D, C. And then this B, C. Then D, E. So work on that until you build it into your muscle memory. Okay, and then now you can go down, descending the scale. F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Now this one, G. You complete that, right? And then end on C. There you go. So I hope this video helps you out, and good luck with your piano journey. I'll see you in the next one.